Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Alright, straight to the point. I want to very quickly share with you guys the latest release from this brand called Impossible Perfect. Alright, they're fairly new, but the story I hear is they all came from, I believe these are the ones behind. They are a little bit more, they may be a little bit more familiar to you. You've seen them before in my previous videos, alright? So up until now, these guys have been making quite a few RWBs, up until 8 already, and now this 3 is the latest resin RWB 64 scale from them. Okay, so right now, new release, it will be under the brand of Impossible Perfect. Alright, I've done the videos of the previous ones, so I will link you up, and I'll put the links in the description below. Okay, so I'm gonna park all these guys aside, and we'll take a closer look at these new cars. Okay, so this one is the Stella Artois, pretty much the second version of the Stella. This is basically the godfather. Okay, so packaging wise, this is quite straightforward. There's the RWB official collaboration product sticker. Okay, so this has proper licensing from RWB, alright? So packaging wise is pretty straightforward. Impossible Perfect, and its logo at the back as well. Impossible Perfect. And there is the metal plate down there with the running number. Alright, so this is the first time they've done the 930, the RWB 930. Okay, so that's the Stella. I really like what I've did with the Ramintra. Okay, previously, one of the more obvious improvement, right, is actually, if you see previously they did the Idler's logo on the wheels. This time it's much bigger, much clearer. That's actually very nice. Okay, and then we have the Yves Piaget. I believe that's the loosely translated, I think it's French rose. So this is actually based in, this actual car is resides in Japan. Okay, and yeah, so these cars are all limited to 300 pieces only worldwide. Okay, again with the running number. So this packaging is still very straightforward, similar here and there. This is the other release. This is my understanding, this is actually from RWB Atlanta. It's called Clermont, if I got it right. Okay, so this one, the one that caught my eye straight was the wheels, the rims. That is really very nice. Okay, so in the interest of time, I've actually took them out from the, I've already took them out. These are all my own personal ones, so that's why I will open them out. Here they are. So I want to show you the 993 first. So we've seen all along they've been doing the 993. So this is actually quite nice. The wheels, the rims are new. Okay, they have not made these wheels before. There's a huge improvement on the Idler's logo on the tire wall. Okay, all right, that's a huge improvement. Damn, it's off focus. Hang on. Okay, there we go. So we have the Yves Piaget down there. So this is a very nice new, something different. So far I don't recall they made any cutout from the windscreen. So this one, rather than just having a print on, it actually has that, you know, that hole in the windscreen. So this is pretty much a track car. And yeah, another new add-on to it, I don't remember it having back wipers like this. So that's something new as well. Yep, they're not there. So this one has the bumper behind, exactly like the 1:1 scale. Okay, and then coming onto this side, it's I believe it's same as the 1:1 as well. The Yves Piaget name is mirrored. Okay, then there's some decal and branding on the back fender. That's very nice, nice and crisp. Something tuned. Yeah, I can even read it without my specs on. That's pretty cool. The tow hook in front, and the writing in front, the second coming. So mine is number 15 out of the 300 pieces worldwide. Okay, so that's the 9993 RWB, and then this 2 would be the first attempt from Impossible Perfect, you know, to make RWB 930. On the onset, it really looks damn sexy. The way they made the lights, that's very nice. I love the wheels on this thing. Check that out. Look at that. Nice. Very, very nice. Ooh. Damn. So again, only 300 pieces. Mine is number 16. The side mirror is definitely different. It's done very nicely. Oh, love that green. It looks very. This green really looks very, very close to the actual thing. Well, the actual thing, I mean, you know, videos that I've seen online. So I believe this was the Yves Piaget has been around for some time now. I can't recall since when, and that's the thing about the older Japanese builds, right? It's a bit harder to find information online because I don't read Japanese. That's one thing. So the Clermont was made in RWB Atlanta. I believe this was the very first one for RWB in Atlanta. Okay, so this, I believe it was built in 2015, and then it was put up for sale. The last news I saw is it was put up for sale in 2017, if I got that right. Don't know, 17 or 18. But check out that fender, that back fender behind. That's very nice. Love how it shines under that my white light. Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice. Very nicely done. I love how low it sits. Okay, that's pretty cool. Alright. Okay, so that's Clermont. And the party piece would be the matte black Stella. Oh, okay, let me just move that a little bit to the side. Yep. Check that out. Oh, love that matte black on this thing. It's freaking crazy, man. This is just freaking crazy. Come on, zoom properly. Alright. Okay, so yep. That's me. That's me. I'm number 1. You see how the side mirror is different? I like the attention to detail. Okay, so this is pretty much a track car for Nakai's personal track car. So I really like. Hey, wait, huh? You see the difference? So when we look at the Yves Piaget just now, right? The name on the side is mirrored, but look at this. Okay, it reads properly here, Stella Artois. Yes, it's pronounced as Stella Artois as the beer name. Okay, and it's the same here. Zoom, there you go. Check that out. This is sweet. Okay, the party piece. Check out that ass. Oh, damn. Check out that crazy detail. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, because over the past couple of months, I've been taking the resin molds in and out. So yeah, because they are a little bit more fragile than die cast, so I have I kind of have this a little bit phobia right now. All these racing cars, they're a little bit more fragile. So yeah, because these are all my personal collection. Yep, so I want to not have any fingerprints on them. That's one, and yeah, I don't want to break any of it anymore. So I'm just gonna leave it on its stand for now. Let's see when I go crazy again and I start doing some crazy stuff. Maybe I'll bring them outdoors or something. Let's see. But still, this one, oh, look at that. Oh, there we go again. Check out that ass. Oh. see it. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Okay, yeah, I need to let it zoom a little bit. I love that matte black filling on this thing. That's really something. Yeah, that's the other detail here as well. You see, this one has only one wiper, okay, compared to the Clermont that has two. And then at the back, the Clermont had the back wiper. This one did not. It has that maybe it's something to secure the back mirror so it doesn't break, I guess, from the real car. I'm guessing this is according to the real thing. Oh man. All right, cool, very cool. Okay, so here we go. I will be keeping this on display at Collectors Cube in KL. Okay, it's located in level 1 in MCOT Mall. All right, so you can come down and check out these cars on display, and you know, do say hi because I'm camping here most of the time. Okay, so where is it? Yep, there we go. Yep, that's Cube. That's where I camp right now. There you go. So do hit them up on the Instagram and also on Facebook. All right. So that's it for now. As usual, I will be taking some close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, vertutoys.mj, and remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. All right, so that you don't miss on any of my awesome videos. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye.